Today we are building the Discovery Mind-Blown DIY Planetarium. See? Oh my god, I want a toy Caldecott medal stem. Okay. So it'll like project stars. It's a build it yourself kit. So let's start building. Open the set. There we go. I just got this from Michael's. Anyways, let's see what we got inside. So, looks like we got some instructions, some pieces. Now, let's get all the pieces out. First, we got the little panels for, I think, the top. We got, oh, it comes with a screwdriver. And what is a stick, I think, for the middle, because I saw there's one stick there. And some, like, wiring. Found it. So this is the platform. I knew it was the platform. And I think this piece is the constellation thingies. The real actual constellation projector thingy. Thingamajigs. And these are the screws and spacers. I don't want to lose them, so I'm just going to keep them in this polythene bag until I need to use them. We also have this kind of sticky foam thingy. I think like something. I'm going to see what they are. Oh wait, the contents doesn't show them. And there's also a large dark sticker. Right. The large dark sticker is supposed to be somewhere in here. I think this is it. No, these are the foam plates. If the large dark sticker. There's two large dark stickers. This might be a bit complicating. Now, we got this motor, and then we got the electricity conductors thingies, maybe. I don't know what they are. They come with like a pin clip. Who needs a wall pin clip? It's kind of weird. Anyways, let's start. So, let's start this. Assembly instructions. Step 1. Insert batteries into the battery and LED tray according to correct polarity. Make sure the switch is on in the off position. Okay, let's see. It's in the off position. Okay, let's unscrew this thingy. Is this tightening? No, that's tightening. Sometimes I just can't know the difference. Almost there. Just need to time on the home sticker, the double-sided ones, and place it on the side of the door, not on the sliding door, of course. The battery cover door. But yeah. Now we just need to get the next one out. Easy peasy. These are easy peasy. It's kind of easy peasy, but I think it's gonna get a little bit harder. Maybe during the building of it. But luckily, they already have like a sticker on them, so like we don't have to use the tape because I think they lost the tape again. Anyways, here we go. Now we just need to put another on the other side. Hardish. Lost the die cut sheet. Anyways, and line it again. We need to make sure they're lined up to make it perfect. I'm just gonna hold this. This is kind of starting to get hard. Anyways, yeah, did it. And then take the big piece and stick it right underneath the foam circle. Got it. We're gonna do the wiring later. I think that's the next step. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so the instructions say, with the power switch facing up, attach the battery and LED tray to stand B. Make sure the top of the battery and LED tray is flush with the bottom edge of the foam circle. Let's put it on. I think I figured out what flush means. There we go. Just attach it as flush as I can. There we go. Really flush. Step 5. Insert the LED port through stand B. Make sure the back is vertical. Okay, the back is vertical. I just need to put in the LED port right here. There. See? Step 6. Insert an LED through the LED port. Short leg left and long leg right. Do you know anything about electrical works? I'm not really sure about the electrical legs. Now let's just test it. Oh my god, the LED light is actually working! I'm so proud of myself. Look at this LED light. It's actually working. I just made an electrical switch. See, you can learn a lot. I'll just put this aside. Okay. Step 9. We're moving on to step 9. Now, it says, attach stand A to the battery and LED tray. Make sure the top of the battery and LED tray is flush with the bottom of the foam circle. Got it. So you may need to make sure that they're totally right position. Just put the wiring a bit. Step 10. Test your, that's not this. Step 10. Fold the top of stand B onto stand A, then slide the wooden dowel through. Attach the feet to the bottom of stand A and B. See, I have attached the feet like this. See, the feet will help it stay together. And I kind of like hid the wiring like a bit so people wouldn't get freaked out and say, oh my god! That's kind of weird though. But moving on to step 11. Place the constellation board pieces on top of a sheet of cardboard and poke holes through the white circles using the pin. Step 11. Place the constellation board pieces on top of a sheet of cardboard and poke holes through the white circles using the pin. We already did that. We already did it. See? Before, I think in the editing. Step 12. Peel one side of the double-sided foam stickers. Line them up and firmly stick them around the constellation hoop where indicated. Constellation hoop. Okay, we just need to cut this out. There, constellation hoop. Stickers. Peel the double-sided foam. Okay, I did step 12. I put these double-sided stickers around the indicated spots, these blue spots. I said to put them in the blue spots. Moving on to step 13. This is what I might need some help with. Place each constellation board piece facing up, then fold the outer flaps up and inside flaps down. Make each fold at a sharp 90 degrees. Do you get that? I did step 13, folding up the constellation boards, which is basically the main part of the mechanism. And moving on. Step 14. Place each constellation board facing down, slide the center corner of each arm under the arm in front of it. The dome will begin to take shape as you slide each arm under the next. So that, I think, like, means to... oh, like this. Oh my god. Look. Look. We made the constellation dome, see? It's like a hat. And we packed tape on the insides to keep it secure with the black tape they provided. The big black square tape. Perfect. Then we just need to put the other one in. Peel it. I'm going to tell you a joke. Why was the banana peeled? Because he was peeled. Get it? Peeled and peeled. Haha. And bananas get peeled to eat them. Yeah, that wasn't much of a fucking joke. Anyways, we're done. Moving on to the next step. Step number 20. Okay, it says spin these, fold these like this, and then take this piece, and we did it. Let's test the lights. Why are they not flipping on? Uh-oh. So, we did step 21. Moving on to step 22. So, this looks kind of like this. Oh, this is the directions for the screw. So, like, the screwing goes on like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Place the constellation dome on the top of the platform. Okay. Place the tabs over each set of spacers. Then finish by securing the constellation dome to the platform with screws. So we're talking about these. Put them here. And you place the screw in. Kind of complicated. Okay. Step 22, 23, and 24 are for putting together the screws like this. With these two pieces like this, you put in first a screw, then a spacer, then screw again in the other spacer. And that's how you do it. And slide the hat or dome for sure. I don't even know what that's called. So, you want to test it out? Let's go to my room. Okay. This is the constellations. Look, you can see all the constellations. It's actually projecting on the wall, but the camera just won't get it because it can't focus on all the lights. But I assure you, it looks beautiful. See? Take a look at this. These constellations on it. I'm going to spin it around slowly. So, this is what we just built. The Constellation Planetarium. And I hope you appreciated the video. And I hope you liked it.